How to check the temperature of your windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting application on your device. So you can simply search for setting in the start menu or for a shortcut use window plus I key. Once in setting, go to system and then go to recovery. In recovery, you will see the option of reset. Simply click on that option. After that, you will see this screen on your Windows. From this choose an option, simply go to troubleshoot. Then after choose the option of advanced option. After that, go to UEFI firmware settings. And then you will see the option of restart. Once you click on restart, in the next page you will see the details of your device. And from here you can simply check the temperature as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.